Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a FiveM development server, the proper file structure, and that's about it for this video. And that's what we're going to be going over, so yeah, let's do this. So we're going to head over to keymaster.fivem.net. We're going to have that in another tab. We're also going to have runtime.fivem.net/artifact/fivem, build server windows/master. And then we're going to get 7716 because personally I find this to be the least buggiest but the best version of FiveM builds. So we're going to download that. Once this is finished downloading any second now, we're going to drag it into a folder. I'm going to create a new folder. Hold on. Tutorial video. Once I have that done, I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna create another folder called FX server. Close that pop-up from WinRAR because who pays for it. Scroll down, copy all that, drag it into here, and then boom, once it's in, I'm going to sadly have to drag this off my screen, but once it opens, it should open something else, because it shows my public IP. Yep. Any second now. There we go. And you're going to press link account, and we're going to press continue. And it prompts up this, okay? So I'm going to press copy user ID on Discord. So once we copy the user ID, I'm going to go to Discord, paste it in. I'm going to make the password tutorial and tutorial. And then, yes, register. And then it says, welcome, I'm back 112, which is my username. And I'm going to make my server name tutorial server. Server. And then I'm going to do popular recipes and CFX default 5M. I'm going to press save. And I'm going to press go to recipe deployer. And then this is all fine, so we're going to press next, and this is where we get our key. So I've already generated my key. I can't show you, I can't scroll down because it has my public IP, so I'm going to copy this key. I'm going to paste it in here. I'm going to press run recipe. Perfect. Once we get this open, we're just going to close it again because we don't need it. Because we have it under our tutorial video. We have FX server and then TX data. Oh, so let me explain to you what this batch file does. So if you press on this, it's like a little shortcut to open this. So I recommend just starting it from here. But this is a start, and then our server artifact version, and then default since we did FiveM default. But if you had Cubicore, I'm pretty sure it'd say Cubicore. Since the server's already running, it's not fully running yet, but it's somewhat running. We're just gonna close this and we're gonna press next. Yep. And I'm gonna name this, I'm gonna close this right there, and then I'm gonna get rid of this because FiveM likes to do that, and then I'm gonna press save and run, and it's gonna authenticate your license key. Bang. Okay, now I'm gonna have to cut off to where I'm in FiveM, and I'll show you guys once I'm there. Okay. Now I'm in FiveM. Hopefully you guys didn't close the console application because that's what keeps your server up and running. I have mine up to the side right here. And then if you don't have this, it should say connect to your computer name on local area network or LAN or your local host. And then we should have last connected server. It won't usually say this, but it will say this. If it doesn't show that, you could paste into F8, connect local host. But since I have this right here, I'm just going to press on this and it's going to connect. Should be super quick since we are literally on the local network. And I don't have to download anything. Once this is done, any second now. Shebang shaboom. Okay, we have a local host FiveM server. And this is how to do it. But quickly, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a proper file structure, because proper file structure is always needed. It is honestly, it's just much better to have, because, what is it called? Okay, so once you're in Visual Studio Code, you don't have to be, it's just what I use. I'm gonna go down, put a comment for base server, and then I'm gonna make a new folder called depend. I'm gonna put it in brackets so it knows it's a directory and to ensure everything in there. So I'll go ensure depend, and then I'm just gonna go here, and then I'm gonna make another resource called scripts. Oh, sorry, whoops, I did that wrong. Scripts, and then we're gonna do ensure scripts. My phone went off, and then we're gonna do v for vehicles. You can name that literally whatever you want, and I'm gonna do ensure v. And then I'm just gonna do another one for like weapons, right? And then I'm gonna do ensure weapons, and then bang, all the resources that you put in these directories now will automatically be ensured, and you won't have to go like ensure weapon underscore, you know, resource underscore 1. You know, like what I mean? You don't have to do that anymore since you're ensuring the directory already. Okay, now that we have that ready, you can restart your server, set up however you want to, do whatever you with your FiveM server. I really don't care. By the way, SV max clients is how much players your servers can hold. I recommend just setting it to 10 for a development server because that's unnecessary to have it anything over 10 for a development server. And that's it. That's how you set up a development server. Hope you guys liked the video. Drop a like and a comment. See you guys later.